friends, welcome to my channel Sweden with Tripti. I hope you are doing fine and I'm good. So recently I got few questions regarding what are we supposed to pack to Sweden while we are moving from India, especially for winters. So I thought, why don't I make a video where I can explain what sort of things you're supposed to buy. So without any further delay, let's begin today's video. The very first thing I'm gonna take is our clothing. What clothing you're supposed to get from India. And the thing is, later you can buy here as well, but it's better to get at least one pair of each item. So the very first thing, I would recommend you to get innerwear, a good thermal innerwear. So you can buy from Jockey or Decathlon. So these are very good brands and with good quality. So it's better to get one pair for you. Winter is not only about jackets. You need to have, layerings. There should be an inner layer, then middle one, and then the top layer. So it's better to get thermal innerwear. Next is gloves and socks, woolen socks. So in India, you will get so many options of woolen socks and they are quite good. So make sure you will get a pair of woolen socks and gloves. You will get variety of gloves with so many beautiful designs. So I would highly recommend to get those as well. And apart from that, it is good to get a lightweight jacket or some sort of hoodies, so you can use them inside home as well. Sometimes that will help you to make a layer. Next is your woolen caps. So you need to have woolen caps for sure. You can buy here as well, but it's better to have at least one or two woolen caps according to your style. So scarves, if you like to style your outfit, it's better to get 2 or 3 scarves. They shouldn't be too heavy, it should be lightweight so that it will be easy for you to carry. I don't want to overweight your luggage while you are moving from India to Sweden, but these are things which are necessity and they will not take so much space and weight. So it's better to get all those stuff which will help you to look stylish, beautiful, and of course will save you from winter. And one more thing, if you are thinking, okay, we have already gotten all those things and we don't need to buy, it's a myth when you say you have to buy a proper jacket here as well, which will work according to this weather. Now I'm going to talk about a next category, that is skincare and health. So when I'm talking about skincare, it is all about your moisturizers, your lip balm or hand cream. These are small tiny things which you can carry, and it's better to get from India because less cheaper there when you will compare from Sweden. And if you ask me what sort of lip balm, what sort of moisturizer we need, so whatever you are using, whatever suits your skin, whatever you are using in India, it's better to get them here so you can use it, because here in Sweden winter can be quite dry, so it's better to keep that stuff with you. Later you will find here as well Indian products. It's not like it's too difficult to find them. You can get them, but again it's quite pricey. So when you are coming, it's better to get one item with you. The next thing is your medicines. So when we are talking about medicine, it's quite difficult here to find your medicines. So I would highly recommend you to get all the medicines what are very important for you. For example, and now when I'm talking about winter, so in winters, October, November, December, it is like a festive mood, right? It's festive season. So it's better to carry, all the women's, it's better to carry extra ethnic wear with you. Like you can carry one sari, one, ethnic dress. So it is good, always good to carry those things with you. So you don't need to buy here. First of all, it's too expensive to buy Indian dresses, and second is sometimes it's too difficult to get the good one, the one you want. So both things are there. So always carry with you those ethnic dresses for your family, your kids, your partner. So always carry them, because apart from that, the universal adapters, so you can buy here as well, I would say, but if you can carry at least one universal adapter with you, so you won't face any problem when immediately you will come and you need to charge here and your chargers are not working here, right? So it can be quite stressful. So make sure you will buy adapter when you're moving from India to Sweden. So although it was not in a winter list, you need that all the time, but yeah, it's better to get at least one universal adapter so that it will help you to charge your stuff. And yeah, I guess these are the only things I would highly recommend you to get from India to Sweden while you are moving. So I hope this video will help you. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.